So now let's go and look at what the different types of expressions are by example. And again, we're going to use the same thing. And we're going back into here. So what is a simple expression? It gives me a simple single value. Select null from dual gives me nothing. Select name from a table with a row number equals 1. Applying the pseudo column, which means it only finds the first row. Select a literal value from dual means go and give me the value 10. A compound expression. It's taking two values and in this case concatenating them together, taking the one string and tacking onto the other. As you can see, my age is 47. In this case, a compound is essentially a substring function that calls an in-string function. It's taking from the substring, this is a string, from position, whatever comes out of here, string. Essentially, find the position of in-string, which is 1, obviously, and just find that value. The result is string. In other words, find string within string from position 1. This is a string. In string, this is a string. If we do this, and we've left out the last bracket, let's run this. And it doesn't like that because we've actually got to select. Let's take this example here just to show you actually what's going on inside this embedded compound expression. From dual, its SQL is declarative. It has to be pulled from the database. This is a dummy, but this is the way that SQL is constructed. You can't just say go and run in string because it doesn't have anything to select from. The required syntax for a select statement to get data from the database, even if it's only in memory, which this is select something from a data source, in this case a dummy table. So let's run this. We get 11. What is this telling me? It's telling me that the string is at position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It starts on position 11. So this gives me 11. So if I was to take this string here and copy and paste this and just breaking this down so you understand what's going on. So my result here would be 11. What's it going to do? It's going to take the substring from here, from position 11. What's it going to find? It's going to find the substring string, because at position 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 is the string called string. It just finds the same thing. So once again, all we've actually done is these two compound the one below. What we should do with this is take this statement, get rid of that, we'll put this in the script. The two above compound are compounded by, as in a compounded expression. Right, and we'll just run this one again just to prove the point. And here's another compound expression. Essentially, it's saying toDate plus 10. So what do? You say convert 1231, 2012, to a date, and you can add a number to a date. You can't add a number in Oracle. You can't add a number to this because this is actually a string and it's going to freak out. This is also, incidentally, a compound expression, but it's not going to do anything useful. In fact, it gives me an error because it tells me that this is not a number. If I was to do something like this, which incidentally also happens to be a compound expression, and I concatenate, I think I don't have to use the string designators there, but we'll check that. Yes, all it does is add the 10. It Oracle automatically converts the 10 to a string. It assumes it's a string. I could put the string delimiters in there if I wanted to. Oops, go there and there. I don't have to. Strings and numbers are automatically convertible by Oracle SQL, assuming if you put a number in a string. Don't expect to put a string and then try and interpret it as a number. It's not a number, it's a string. So the word string is not a number. That would give you an error. If you try to do a compound expression like this, select string. In fact, no, that wouldn't make sense. No, it would. String plus 10. Now, it's not going to fall over on the 10, it's going to fall over on the word string because it can't add string to 10 because it's not a number. There's your error. That's compound expressions. We will continue with this topic in the next movie.